G'day, it's me again. Okay, so today we're going on a little adventure around the Southern Flinders Ranges. My plan today is to go down to Orroroo, then across to Wilmington and across to Quorn and back here to Hawker. Not a big day. Hopefully you're going to try out some camera stuff today, so it's going to be a bit hit and miss. And then while we're down in Orroroo, I want to go and have a look at, now I'm going to try and pronounce it right, the Pikena Reservoir, which is down there. Not sure if there's water in there or not, but let's go and have a look. So come on, let's go for a ride.
Go now, don't think twice. Breathe deep, close your eyes. Find a getaway. Say hello to a new day. And we'll live forever young. Let's chase the neon sun, wild and free. Ooh.
Hi, back again. Just doing a quick stop down at Craddock. It's only a short distance out of Hawker, but it's got an old pub here, and it's one of these pubs that if you stop off, for those that are travelling around the place, caravanning, if you stop off here and you buy a meal and have a beer, you can camp out the back for nothing. So just bear that in mind, the old Craddock Hotel here. It's only a small little township. It's about 25 kilometres out of Hawker, so it's not that far out, but lovely little pub, great meals, highly recommend it. So if you're coming up this way, make sure you stop in and have a look.
We will finally learn to run like a days had just begun, and we'll live forever young as we find the neon sun, wild and free. Wild and free.
Well, welcome back. I've made it down to Pekina Reservoir. I'm hoping I'm saying that correct for everybody. If I'm not, I do apologise. It was quite a nice ride down. It's just outside of Orroroo, and I'm hopefully going to go around and do a bit of drone footage in a moment, in a few minutes. So we'll see how that goes. But originally this reservoir was first built, from my understanding, in 1907, and it was to start an irrigation system in the area of Orroroo and surrounds. It was one of the first irrigation systems in South Australia, if not Australia. So it was quite important. However, it did silt up quite a bit, and so what they had to do in 1913, they had to raise the wall of the reservoir and make it higher. So it's really good. We've had a fair bit of rain, so it's actually quite good to see that we've got the some water in the reservoir now. It's really looking good, as you can see over there. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot, even just to come for a picnic for the day. There's lots around here, plenty of shade. Yeah, it's really good. All right, we'll have a bit more of a look around. I'll see if I can get the drone up. I want to go over the other side. It's about where the wall is, so I want to try and drone around the wall, and we'll see how we go with that. All right, hope you enjoy. Well, here we are at what they call the giant red gum, and apparently I'm reading it off the sign here, so I am cheating, I'm not doing it from memory. The circumference of this tree is 10.89 metres. That's fairly big, and that's at its widest point, which is 0.61 of a metre above the ground, and it's estimated to be at least 500 years old. So have a look at this for a size of a tree. I'm going to go set up in a minute and go and stand next to it for you, but this is one big tree. So yeah, even in Australia we grow things big too. I'm going to get away from the sun a little bit so I can try and show you the branches of it. It's huge, as you can see. Here we go, I found I blocked the sun a little bit. Oh, maybe I've been right back on that one. As you can see, she's pretty big, so what I'm going to do is I'll put the camera up and I'll go stand next to it and you can get some idea of how big this thing is. Alright, I'll go stand next to it and you can get a bit of an idea of how big this is. Pretty big. Had a drink in Orroroo there. This is a nice little area here. It's just on the outskirts of Orroroo, heading towards Wilmington, which is where I'm heading to next. And get a spot of lunch there, hopefully. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's keep riding. Hope you're enjoying. Oh, hi everybody, I'm back on again. I've just ridden from Wilmington and come into Quorn, and now just have a bit of a break here before we head back. If you don't know much about Quorn, it's the home of the Pikena Railway, and I'll take you down. It's not running at the moment, but I'll take you down, have a look at it. But this particular area here is home of the Pikena. So over here you've got the railway station, which I'll take you across to have a look. They've restored it, trying to keep it as good as they can. Train's not running today, unfortunately, so I can't show you that. But as you can see, the Pikena Railway train station. We'll go around the back and have a look at the platform area. Have a look around there. And of course here we've got the Quorn railway station. So as you can see, quite a big town. So make sure when you're coming through up into the Flinders, that you have a look through here. There's a bit to see. It's really good. So anyway, I'm going to head back to the bike and travel the last bit of road back to Hawker. Well, that's it. That's my first trip on the motorbike. Taking you guys along with me. Hope you've enjoyed the trip today. Got quite a few other trips. Hopefully we'll be able to get done this year. So make sure that you stick around. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe and click that little notification bell, so when I put another one up, you'll know that it's there. In the meantime, make sure you stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you on my next bike trip. Okay, have a great day. Cheers everybody. See you next time.